In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off automatic subtitles on YouTube. Okay, so you can't actually do it from within the YouTube app itself, so you'll need to go to a browser on your phone. In this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you just want to go to youtube.com. Now, once you're on the YouTube website, you want to go ahead and go to the desktop version of the site. So on an Android device, I tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of the screen, and then I tap on at the bottom there, desktop site. Now, the process might be slightly different on an iPhone, but you just need to go ahead and find desktop site and enable it. And now once you're on the desktop site, you want to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right. From here, you want to go to the settings near the middle of the screen, and then you'll be on this screen, and then you just want to scroll to the left, and now you want to tap on playback and performance in the left hand side. Once you're on playback and performance screen, you want to scroll to the right, and then you can see there it says subtitles and closed captions, and it says always show captions. If you go ahead and turn that off, now those automatic subtitles will be off. So you don't need to go ahead and save anything. You can just go ahead and start using YouTube and the automatic subtitles will be off. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.